What if I told you that some apps on your phone may know more about you than your friends? From where you go to what you watch, click, and search. Yes, it sounds dramatic, but it's not science fiction. Many popular apps collect data like location, personal info, and activity. Even the FTC warns that apps track users across devices. In this video, we'll explore 5 types of apps that may be tracking you. We'll learn why they do it and how to protect your privacy without losing functionality. First, let's understand what tracking really means. It's not always someone spying on you. Often, it's apps collecting information to personalize ads or improve recommendations. Once you grasp that, you start seeing your apps differently. Let's start with social media. Apps like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are major data collectors. Facebook shares personal information and device IDs with third parties, while TikTok collects detailed engagement data. Why? These platforms want to know what keeps you scrolling. What grabs your attention is valuable data. So, how can you limit their tracking? Start by turning off location access unless necessary. Limit photo access and disable contact syncing. Review your ad settings and disable tracking where possible. Now let's move on to map and navigation apps. While essential, these apps also track your location extensively. Precise location data can reveal sensitive patterns about your life. So how do you control this? Set location access to while using the app. Turn off unused location history features. Deny background location access whenever possible. Next, we have shopping apps. These often seem harmless, but they gather extensive behavioral data. What price ranges do you search? What products engage you? To limit tracking here, turn off unwanted notifications. Opt out of personalized ads and avoid staying logged in to unnecessary apps. Now let's look at seemingly simple apps: weather, flashlight, and utility apps. These are often sneaky in their data collection. If a basic app asks for excessive permissions, don't hesitate to uninstall. Ask yourself if the app truly needs that permission. Then we have fitness, health, and family location apps. These apps contain sensitive data. Location, health patterns, and movement habits can reveal too much. Carefully review sharing settings and turn off features you don't use. Limit location access to only what's necessary. Now, let's dive into practical steps to minimize tracking. First, audit your app permissions. Check who has access to your location, camera, and contacts. Second, turn off background location for unnecessary apps. Next, reset or limit your advertising ID. Use your phone's privacy controls to ensure apps respect your privacy. Uninstall apps you rarely use. Removing an app means no access, no permissions, and no tracking. Lastly, be wary of free apps asking for extensive access. Often, the real product is your data, not the app itself. Remember, not all tracking is bad. Some helps improve app functionality and user experience. But understanding the trade-off is crucial. Take back control of your data. Audit your permissions, limit location access, reduce ad tracking, and delete unused apps. Don't let simple apps invade your privacy. Start protecting yourself today. Your phone is more than just a phone, it's a data hub. Make intentional choices about your app use and privacy settings. To take back control, act now.